In this video, we will solve the questions asked in today's JKSSB Police Constable Telecommunication. The question is, select the word which means the same as the group of words given. That is, we are being given to express in an unclear way means it is eloquent, gobbled, lucid or intelligible. The correct option should be gobbled. Next question is, select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. We have the sky is quite overcast. We are dash dash to have rain today, so it should be likely here. Next question is, find the odd one from the given set of numbers. We have 14, 28, 35, 46, 56 and 84. Okay, so we need to find out the odd one out here. So here you can see 14 is divisible by 7, 28 is divisible by 7, 35 is divisible by 7. Let us see this. 46 is not divisible by 7, 56 is divisible by 7 and 84 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 84 is also divisible by 7. So odd one out will be 46, which is not perfectly divisible by 7. Next question is, if the price of commodity increased by 50%, by what fraction must its consumption be reduced so as to keep the same expenditure on its consumption? Okay, options are being given 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. Okay, so required or fractional decrease will be equal to, or let me write it here, a fractional decrease in the consumption will be equal to, that is equal to R upon 100 plus R, where R denotes the percentage increase in the price of the commodity. Okay, so fractional decrease in the consumption, let us denote it by D subscript C. It will be equal to, since R has increased to 50%. Okay, so R is equal to 50% here. So can we write it here 50 upon 100 plus 50, which will be equal to 50 upon 150, which comes out to be 1 upon 3. That means the fractional decrease in the consumption should be equal to 1 upon 3 if the price increases by 50%. Next question is, what is 0.08 times 0.007? So can we write 0.08 like this? 8 upon 10th hundredth, we have 8 upon 100, and 0.007 is equal to 7 upon 10th hundredth thousandth. So it is equal to 7 upon 1000. So it becomes 7 8s are 56 divided by, so we have 3 plus 2 5 zeros. So we have 1 and then 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 and 5. And can we write this is this can be written as, simply we write it like this, 0.00, we have 3 zeros, then we have 5 6. Okay, because this 6 is at 100,000th position. Okay, so we have a 6 at 100,000th position. This 5 will be at 10,000th position. So let's write it here. Then we have 1000th position, which is 0. Then we have to the left, we have 1000, we have then 100th position, which is 0. Then we have the 10th position, then we have decimal, and then we have the units place. So it is equal to 0.0056. Next question is, choose the correct alternative out of the 4. It was very kind of you to do the washing up, but you dash dash. So the correct option should be must have not done. Next question is, we have to find out the error in the sentence which is being given here. So we have after knowing truth. So here it should be after knowing the truth. I guess the first one has the mistake, so the correct option should be A option, because truth is abstract noun and we add that to the abstract noun. Next question is, out of the four alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentences. Prohibited by law or treaty from being imported or exported. So it must be, I guess it should be smuggled. Okay. Next question is, in the following question, out of the four alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the word. So we have inclement, we know it often, it is unfavorable. I guess it should be unfavorable. Like we say here, we have the inclement weather in Kashmir. Next question is, in the following question, choose the word opposite in the meaning of the given word. So we have perceptivity. So it means having a clear idea. So it is opposite word should be vagueness. Next question is, we have to find out the mistake, if any, in the given sentence. So we have, if you turn the corner, you will find a house built of stone. I guess it should be, you will find a house. Okay. So it is in the past, so it should be find, F-I-N-D. So I guess the error is in the this very part. So correct option should be B. I am not sure, but I guess it should be the correct one. Next question is, everyone, we have to fill the blank. So we have, everyone in the world is accountable to God for his actions. I guess it should be for. Not pretty sure, but I'm just giving a guess. Out of the four alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given sentence. So we have a person who shows off his learning. So we call that very person as pedant. So the correct option should be A option. In the next question, we have to find out the incorrectly spelled word here. So I guess it should be cemetery, what we call the graveyard also. So it is CEMENTARY. I guess it is correctly spelled here, or it is spelling is being given correctly. Next question is, choose the alternative which best expresses the meaning of idiom or phrase. To smell a rat, we know it often. It does not mean to smell a fowl or to see a rat or to chase a rat. It means to be suspicious. Next question is, the number of students in 3 classes in the ratio of 2:3:4. If 12 students are increased in each class, this ratio changes to 8:11:14. We need to find out the total number of students in the 3 classes in the beginning. Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay. So let us say the number of students in each class in the beginning is equal to 2x, the ratio. Then we have 3x in the next class and 4x in the next class. Okay. So then total number of students in the beginning in the 3 classes will be equal to 2x plus 3x plus 4x, which comes out to be 9x. Okay. Now we are being told that if 12 students are increased in each class, this ratio changes to 8:11. Let's take the ratio of the first 2 classes. Okay. So obviously initially we have 2x number of students. Now we have 2x plus 12 because each class is added by 12 students. Then in the second class we will have 3x plus 12 and it is equal to 8:11. Okay. Solving it. So let's take 2 common. We get x plus 6. Let's take 3 common in the denominator. We get x plus 4 is equal to 8/11, which implies x plus 6 upon x plus 4 is equal to 8/11 transposing this to LHS, sorry, to RHS, it will get reciprocated. So we'll get 3 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. That implies x plus 6 upon x plus 4 is equal to 4 3s are 12 upon 11. Okay, solving for x, we get 11x plus 66 is equal to 12x plus 48. Okay, solving for x, so we have 12x minus 11x is x, so we will get x is equal to subtract 48 from 66, so we have 66 48 subtracting, we will get here we will get 8, so we will get 18. So x is equal to 18. Then the number of students in the beginning, which is equal to 9x, so the value of x came out to be 18, so we will get the number of students in the beginning will be equal to 9 into 18, so which is equal to 9 8s are 72, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, so we will get 162 as the number of students in the beginning. So the correct option should be A option. Next question is find the missing number in the following series. We have 100, 200, sorry, we have 10 first, then we have 100, then we have 200, then we have 310, and we need to find out the next number. So let us see the difference. Here the difference is 90, here the difference is 100, here the difference is 110. So in the next term the difference should be 120. So we have 310 plus 120, that means next number must be equal to, we have 0, then we have 3, so we should get, sorry, 3 plus 1 is 4, so the next number in the series should be equal to 430. So the correct option should be A option. Next question is the average weight of group of 7 boys is 56 kg. The individual weights in kg of 6 of them are 52, 57, 55, 60, 59 and 55. We have to find out the weight of the 7th boy. Okay, so let's first see what we are being given. We are being given the mean weight of 7 boys, that is, let's denote it by mean weight of 7 boys is equal to 56. Okay, now what will be the total weight of the 7 boys? It will be equal to their mean times the number of boys, that is equal to 56 times 7, which comes out to be 7 6s are 42, 7 5s are 35, plus 4 comes out to be 39. So the total weight of 7 boys is 392. What is the total weight of 6 boys? So we need to add them, that is 52 plus 57 plus 55 plus 60 plus 59 plus 55. When we add this, I have added it, it comes out to be 338. Now we are being told to find out the weight of the 7th boy. So weight of 7th boy will be equal to the total weight of the 7 boys minus the total weight of the 6 boys. So total weight of 7 boys is 392. To this we subtract the total weight of 6 boys, which is 338. When we subtract, it will come out to be 12 minus 8 is 4. Then we have 8 minus 3 is 5, 6, 7, 8, obviously. So the weight of the 7th boy should be equal to 54 kg. So correct option should be B here. The question is determine the number of months required to get rupees 25.5 as simple interest on rupees 850 at 3.6% per annum. Options are being given, we need to find out the correct option. Okay, so we apply the formula for simple interest, which is equal to, so simple interest is equal to the principal times the rate of interest times the time period divided by 12. Okay, so can we write it here? Principal is being given us here 850, so let's write 850 into rate is being given 3.6, and let us say we have n number of months here. Okay, required to get the simple interest. Okay, so in place of t we write n, and since we have to divide it by first 100, then also we need to divide it by 12, because we have to find out the number of months. So simple interest is that's being given us here as 25.5. So this equation is equal to 25.5. So solving this, so 25.5 can be written as 255 divided by 10 is equal to, so we have 850 times, so in place of 3.6 can I write 36, then we have n divided by, we have 100, since we have 36 we divided by 10, it becomes 3.6, so this 10 is multiplied to this 100, it becomes 1000 into we have 12 then. Okay, so let's do some cancellation here. So we have 0 0 gets cancelled, 12 ones are 12, 3s are, then we have another 0 which gets cancelled with this, so ultimately we are left with 85 into 3 into n is equal to 255. Solving further, so let me see, and we also have 10 here in the denominator, so it gets multiplied with this 255. So we will get here, solving further, I don't have the space, so it will be 255 into 10 upon 85 into 3. Solving, so 3 ones are 3 8s are 24, then we have 3 5s are 15, so we get 85 85 85 gets cancelled, so we get n is the number of months required.